The event we are having here is Strathmore Alumni UK chapter. It's one of our pioneer alumni chapters that we have at Alumni Relations Office. And the idea is to create a community of alumni, a space where alumni can come together and connect, and bringing new alumni who have come to work here, to study here, and expand that even to the parents and friends that we have within this community of Strathmore alumni and the parents that we have around.
Having not been in London for 20 years, and I come here every 20 years, this was amazing. My best trip ever here. It felt like family, home away from home. Meeting 100 alumni who live and work in London, that was truly special. But one thing that struck me is the thought that a few years ago we didn't realize how far we could go. The thought of having an alumni reunion in London of this magnitude was not on the cards at all. So it just reminds us of how big Strathmore has become and how big the footprint is now in terms of what the world expects from us. And that's what I challenged our students here to do.
Speaking to people from Strathmore always brings back the idea of your compass point. So, just listening to the VC, and he was speaking about knowing yourself, knowing what you're offering to the world. So that reminder through his whole speech, which was, quite detailed, but that reminder is always good to kind of give me a central point to refer back to. So that's what I'm going to go home with. Just a reminder of what I need to do and what I need to offer the world.
Today I've really had a great experience. I always prioritize these Strathmore network events because I've gotten a place to network or to even connect with like-minded individuals. I found a support system and community with the Kenyans here.
We started this group probably 3 years ago, so we've had 3 annual gatherings, and so far I feel like they're going so well. We all feel like they're going well. So we've managed to bring together alumni for alumni events. We try to do every quarterly, meeting up for drinks and just knowing each other and creating those connections.
One of the most encouraging things about the London chapter is it's now our biggest chapter of alumni outside of Nairobi. And they're very pioneering. So a lot of all these other alumni chapters that are starting in different cities are looking up to London to find out what experiments they're doing, what sorts of engagements are they having, and what can they learn from London. And so I told our group here in London, they have that huge responsibility of setting the trend and helping all the other alumni bodies to be inspired to do great work from the cities that they operate from.